Real windy, another dust storm. The wind has blown some tin in the back. We got the horses locked up just in case. Right there is knocking down the fence. That one way back there is probably going to jump over the fence. So we got some picking up to do tomorrow. So we just got our firewood up, got the heater ready for the morning. It feels like you want to get out of that. Something might come by and hit you in the head. And the temperature is cooling down. I'll be glad to get some rain. Hey, what about you, Peanut? Hey. Well, this morning we got pickup to do, and our wind wall held. This part blew down, so I'm glad that wall held up. There's some tin across the way, and Bill's gonna get up on the truck and look off and see if it went over to the neighbor's area and gather all this stuff up. There's one blowed out. Bill just crossed the fence. Go pick it up. Yeah, we made this gate here so the guy could bring us some leaves, and he never showed up. But we can always use it. And we still got some leaves here that we can use. This is our neighbor's side. It blew over there. And you see that corner right over there? We believe that's our property line. But with prices so high now, we was going to get surveyed. We believe we got 50 feet of this side where we could come in and clean it up, put a fence up, put the horses over here, let them clean up the brush, keep the snakes down. But takes money. We was afraid they would blow farther than that. That was hard wind. So we're getting this, and looks like the fence is down. We'll have to fix that. Oh. So Bill's putting in 4 T-posts. That post broke. So that's going to fix that pretty good. Get stand back up. Bill's checking the fence out. We do need a lot of work on it. We were thinking about renting a tractor with a brush hog and a plow, or a bucket, I mean. And see if that guy would let us mow on that side. It wouldn't take too long to mow that down. That's where rattlesnakes and bobcats come in to the food forests and chicken pens. And then while we had the tractor, Bill could work on these waterways a lot better and try to fix them up and take them out longer. But the rental price for the weekend is like close to $500, so we're not going to do it this time. But maybe if prices go down, we'll do it. So we got 2 piles of them, one over there. That held, but this one didn't. So now, start stacking them. Bill's gonna tie all that tin down, and we'll start piling stuff on top of it. And I think that will hold good. We were talking about cleaning this up next winter. Right now we got so much to do, but if there was a way we could get our land surveyed, we got the wire to fence it off right there. Yeah, but the survey company's wanting too much money, so we're gonna put it off since nowadays it's kind of hard times and everybody's got their price jacked up. And Bill does want to go out and work on that fence before he let the horses out. Here he comes with some T-posts. He's gonna get the driver and get out there and fix that fence. I get right on the tailgate. Yeah. Always love it. I'm gonna have to stop, shut the gate.